Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kim, your online hairstylist. So for today's video, let me tell you the difference between Brazilian blowout and hair botox. So before we start, if you're new in my channel, please subscribe, click the like button, and hit the notification bell for you to notify about my latest video about hair tutorial, tips, advices, and hair product review. So let's go for our topic. I know everyone is still wondering and asking about the difference between hair Brazilian blowout and hair botox. But did you know that Brazilian blowout and hair botox are the same high-end treatment, but they are different in ingredients and effect? Before, Brazilian blowout and hair botox are only available in many salons, but nowadays you can buy it on different online store. So Brazilian blood has formaldehyde and it releases when heated. So we know that formaldehyde is a harsh chemical and it can irritate your eyes, your nose, and throat. And long-term exposure to formaldehyde can increase the risk of cancer. And it can damage the hair follicles and irritate your scalp as well. But thanks to the salon, because most of them offer free formaldehyde Brazilian blowout. And about hair botox, it adds nourishing oils and it has antioxidants to kill cracks, hair strand, and Brazilian blowout and hair botox effects are typically last around 2 to 4 months. But we advise 3 months after. So if you want a straight, smooth, glossy hair but don't want to stay in a salon for about 4 to 6 hours, go for Brazilian blowout. But it doesn't give you a pin straight hair like hair rebonding did. But if you want a milder formula without harsh chemicals and you want to make your hair smooth and reduce hair loss, go for hair botox. But did you know that most of the product that you can buy through online store here in Philippines, hair Brazilian and hair botox, they are both not formaldehyde free. Imagine that most of the Brazilian blood has 30% straightening while the hair botox has 80% straightening. So the Botox has more formaldehyde content. So unlike the Brazilian, imagine. So just consider a product with less formaldehyde content. We need to consider the health first. So I highly recommend it. Just consider visiting your favorite salon so that it's safe. Yeah, it's pricey, but it's safer, right? So that's it for today. Hopefully you learn more about my video. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment about your experience in hair Brazilian and hair Botox. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.